What are the business benefits of the Agile Programme Management syllabus? The AgilePgM course enables businesses to ensure that their staff involved in change initiatives play an effective part in 1. Ensuring a programme captures its vision, 2. Establishing flexible agile programmes that respond to business change, 3. Utilising team-level agile methodologies to encourage successful programme delivery, 4. Actively promoting trust and close cooperation with stakeholders, and 5. Assisting an organisation to achieve transformational change faster, at a lower cost and lower risk. Remember to like, subscribe and hit the notification bell. If you're interested in free project and programme management resources, click the link below in the description. Follow Good e-Learning on LinkedIn, Facebook, Instagram and Twitter for regular project and programme management resources such as posters, articles, videos and study guides.